Can you believe it? It's December 14th already.
I was born for this, built for a purpose.
An Isoko man or an Urhobo man. Some of the history of the Urhobo people
includes intricate carvings, sculptures, and traditional beadwork.
Now, Paeto will go ask, I beg give us only 2 secrets to happy and successful marriage. Mama, now okay, baby, really?
100%. Okay, baby. She whispered something to me now. Oh, yes, okay, baby. Okay, baby.
See? I am so happy and honored to be standing in front of all my beautiful brothers and sisters. We're counting our blessings as a family, as a community.
And I'm sure your mercies. That's why I sing just to say thank you.
Yes, we visited the food bank twice this year.
Owe, Amedi, Afagbe, Yade, Akabo on the north by that.
Oh, holy night, the stars are brightly shining. It is a night of our dear Savior's birth.
Why it be say for Canada, once you drink small drink, they go say may you not drive. Why? For worry, who drink pass now they drive? I dey tell you now, those of us when grew up for worry, if we come out for night, as you don't hide, you go bathroom, go piss, come back. They go look you say, okay, now this one I hide pass. They go throw key give you. Michael, carry us go house.
Kobuo, Aseriahe, Megwana Kobuo, Owoma.
If you get navigator, if you get GPS, rely on her. Not do okay, baby, from you because we will land for Agbaro.
Canada. Isoko, Canada. Iko makubwe denye kubwe kini ofo. Diemu Urhobo Isoko na vavu. Mama werowe mama foke kukubwe nana. Is a union that has brought the sons of Urhobo and Isoko together that lives in Canada. practicing the good culture of Urhobo and Isoko in diaspora. Ugoko na ebu Canada na jaje kawi unwevi.
Iṣẹ́ ìyẹn iṣẹ́ tiwọn. Eré láti tiwọn. Dodo àti ráìsì kò gbọ́dọ̀ kọjá. Wá jẹun wá gbòfò roboto.
Uye da wola. Let's go. Omo tete lo yiwa lo. Hey!
Let's put our hands together for Calgary's finest. Sam Precious.
Baby, see as you fresh, now only monkey go say you no fine, Bella. Fire, baby, buru biale. Tika like mama, dance for mommy and dada. Don't be shy to show brother.